Assalamu alaikum dear student. Welcome to our math class 7, unit number 2, linear equation and simple inequality on page number 109. Unit 2, we have another topic, that is application of linear equations in real world context. Page number 122. Now, linking model method to algebraic method. Okay. Linking model method to algebraic method. Consider the following problem. A man is 3 times as old as his son in 10 years times. Okay, the sum of their ages will be 76. How old was the man when his son was born? Okay, the left column below show how the problem is solved using the model method. Okay, if we replace each of the boxes by the unknown x, okay, we will get the algebraic method in their right column. Fill in the blanks below. We have a two type of method, model method and algebraic method. In this exercise we use this one, okay, algebraic method. So student, that is your task. Okay, now student, we have a basic level. Question number 1. When loaded with bricks, a lorry has a mass of 11,600 kg. If the mass of the bricks is 3 times, okay, that of the empty lorry, find the mass of the bricks. Okay, अब यहाँ पर इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब ये है कि इन एक ब्रिक से, ठीक है, एक ट्रंक है, हैवी व्हीकल है हमारे पास, ठीक है, वो क्या है, लोडेड है फुल ऑफ ब्रिक्स से, इंटों के साथ। उसका टोटल हमारे पास जो मास है या वेट है वो कितना है, 11,600. दिस इज अ कॉमा. ओके, इफ द मास ऑफ द ब्रिक इज 3 टाइम्स, अगर मास ऑफ द ब्रिक्स हमारे पास 3 टाइम्स है, ठीक है ना, तो हमने यहाँ पर फाइंड करना है क्या, मास ऑफ द, फाइंड द मास ऑफ द ब्रिक्स. ओके, मतलब कि हम लोगों ने इस सवाल का मतलब ये है कि लोडेड हमारे पास, लोडेड जो ट्रंक है वो कितना है, टोटल उसका जो वेट है, टोटल उसका वेट है 11,600 kg. जब हम ट्रंक को रिमूव करें, सिर्फ हमने ब्रिक्स का क्या है यहाँ पर मास और वेट मालूम करना है. सो वी हैव अ सोल्यूशन. लेट द मास ऑफ द एम्प्टी लॉरी बी x kg, बिकॉज वी डोंट नो द वैल्यू ऑफ x of the empty lorry, so that's why we take a x over here. Then the mass of the bricks is 3 times, because 3x kg, x plus 3x is equal to 11,600. If we solve our this value, then we get 4x is equal to 11,600. Here again we have a 4 with x, okay, and 4 multiplying with x. So if we shift over here in this step, so our 4 is dividing with x, 11,600. okay, if we solve our this value of, if we cut our this value, like 4 ones are 4, okay, and 2,900, then we get what, x is equal to 2,900. Now we have a question number 3. Amira is 4 years older than Priya and Shirley is 2 years younger than Priya. If the sum of their ages is, okay, 47, find their respective ages. Okay, so here we find the ages of Amira, Priya and Shirley. Okay, total ages क्या है इनकी, जब हम sum करेंगे इन सब ages का, then we have a age like 47. Okay, let Priya's age be x years old. Okay, here we don't know the age of Priya, so that's why we take a x. Okay, then Amira's age is x plus 4, because we don't know the age of Amira, so that's why we take a x. Why 4? Because Amira is 4 years older. Okay, so that's why here we take a 4 years. Okay, then Shirley's age is, okay, x minus 2. X mean we don't know the age. Why minus? Because Shirley is 2 years younger. Okay, younger, so that's why we minus, we put a minus with 2 years. Okay, after this we add ages, like x mean Priya, x plus 4 mean Amira, x minus 2 is Shirley, is equal to total age of these girls is what? 47. So that's why here we put like that. Here we combine our variables and constant and we remove our this brackets. So we get these values, okay, x plus x plus x plus 4 minus 2, okay, is equal to 47 as it is. If we solve our this value, like we have a 1 over here, 1 over here, 1 over here, then we get 3x plus 4 minus 2 is 2 is equal to 47 as it is. Again we shift our this constant over here like that, okay, 3x is equal to 47 minus 2 and 3x is equal to 45 because we solved our this subtraction. So we get what? 45. In this step x is equal to 45 divided by 3 because we shift our this 3 over here and 3 dividing with 45 because here 3 is multiplying with x, okay. If we solve our this value like 3 1s are 3, 3 15s are 45, then we get x is equal to 15, okay. Here Priya is 15 years old, okay. Amira is 15 plus 4 is equal to 19 years old and Shirley is 50 minus 2 is equal to 13 years old, okay. How? Here we know the value of x like 15. If we put 15 over here, so we know the age of Priya, that is 15 years old, okay. Here 15 plus 4, so 15 plus 4 is 19, 15 minus 4 is 13. So now we find the ages of the Priya, Amira and Shirley, okay. Now we have a next question, that is, if a number is tripled, it gives the same result as when 28 is added to it, find the number, okay. Solution, let the number be x, okay. Again we don't know the number, so that's why 3x. Why 3x? Tripled, okay. Tripled means 3 and x unknown value is equal to x, okay, plus 28. Here it gives the same result, so that's why we take a what? X plus 28. 28 is added, so that's why here we take like that, okay. Here again we shift our this x over here like that is equal to 28 as it is. If we solve our 3x minus 8, then we get 2x is equal to 28. X is equal to 28 divided by 2, okay, because 2 is multiplying with x. If we shift over here, then we get this step, okay. 2 1s are 2, again 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. X is equal to 14. So the number is 14, okay. Find the number. So we find our number, that is 14. Next we have a question number 6. A travel agency is planning for a holiday for a group of people, okay. The agencies receive a question from 2 coaches companies, Maya Express and Great Holidays, okay. Maya Express charges it, this sign is called a USA dollar, okay, 15 for each person, while Great Holiday charges a fixed amount of what? Dollar is what? 84 and an extra of we have again the sign of dollar, 12 per person, okay. Here we have a 2 agencies, okay, planning a holidays of a people, okay, and the agencies receive 2 coaches, ठीक है ना. कंपनीज उन्होंने क्या किया? 2 कंपनीज को अचीव किया, ठीक है, या आप कह सकते हो कि रिसीव किया, या आप लोग कह सकते हो उनके हवाले से बात की. माया एक्सप्रेस एंड अ ग्रेट हॉलीडे, माया एक्सप्रेस एंड ग्रेट हॉलीडे. माया एक्सप्रेस चार्ज, माया एक्सप्रेस एक बंदे का कितना चार्ज करी है? $15, ओके. एंड ग्रेट हॉलीडे उसकी फिक्स्ड अमाउंट है, वो कितना चार्ज करी है? 84, ओके. एंड एक्स्ट्रा के लिए वो क्या कर रही है? पर पर्सन का कितना करी है? $12 वो चार्ज कर रही है. ओवर हेयर इफ द टोटल अमाउंट चार्ज, ओके, अगर हम टोटल अमाउंट चार्ज करें by the each company in this same, okay, find the number of people going on the holidays. यहाँ पर हमने मालूम करना है कि कितने लोग हॉलीडेज पे गए हैं. वी हैव अ सोल्यूशन. लेट द नंबर ऑफ पीपल गोइंग ओके on the holidays be like x. Okay, we don't know the here we don't know the total number of people, so that's why we take a x over here. Okay, 15x is equal to 84 plus 12x, because one company is charge of $50 and second company charge of $12, so that's why we take this number. Okay, over here in this step, 15x minus 12x, because we shift our this variable value here, so we get a minus sign, is equal to 84 as it is. If we solve our this value, then we get 3x is equal to what? 84. In this step, okay, this sign is called the next line. Okay, x is equal to 48 divided by 3, so we cut our this value like 3 ones are 3 and 3 28s are 84. X is equal to 28. Okay, there are 28 people going on the holidays. Okay, now we have a next level, that is intermediate level. Question number 8. The sum of a half of a number and 49 is 1/4 of the number. Find the number. Again, this fraction is called the improper fraction. Okay, we find the number of, okay, we find the number over here. Now we have a solution. Let the number be x. Okay, 1/2, because sum of half, so that's why we take a 1/2. Okay, this is the half, x as it is because we don't know the value, plus, okay, and mean here plus this 49 is equal to, here we solved our this fraction like 4 2s are 8, add 1, so we get what? 9/4 x as it is, because here we don't know the value of numbers. Okay, and you can say that we don't we find the value of x, so that's why we take a x over here. This value as it is, we shift our this variable values like this. Okay, with minus sign, is equal to minus 49, because if we shift this value over here, so we shift our constant here. Okay, so constant with minus sign. Now taking a LCM, because over here we have a 2 fraction and between we have a what? Minus, so that's why in next step we take a LCM. Okay, so we get what? Minus 7 divided by 4, x is equal to minus 49. Okay, again we shift our minus 7 divided by 4 over here like that. Okay, अब यहाँ पर क्या है? x is equal to minus 4 divided by 7. अब देखिए, अगर हम लोग के पास यहाँ पर माइनस का साइन नहीं होता, ठीक है, हम अपना यहाँ पर चेंज करते, ये क्या करते, प्लस के साइन के साथ इसको चेंज कर देते. अब यहाँ पर हमारे पास माइनस का साइन है, माइनस का साइन चेंज नहीं होगा, बट इनका ऑपरेशन चेंज हो जाएगा. 4 मल्टीप्लाई में चेंज हो जाएगा और 7 डिवीजन में चेंज हो जाएगा, लाइक दैट. ओके, लाइक दैट. मल्टीप्लाई विथ व्हाट? minus 49. X is equal to minus 4 multiplied with what? 49. Then we get 169 divided by 7 as it is. Okay, minus minus plus, so that's why no need to write a minus. Okay, so over here 7 1 is 7, 7 28 are 196. Okay, so our answer is x is equal to 28. The number is what? Is 28. Student, now that is your homework. Okay, question number 4, question number 2, question number 4, 7, and your task is on page number 1 to 2. You have a one note. Do your homework on neat notebook, and you have to send your homework, girls in this ID and boys in this ID. Okay, and that is your book pages. Thank you, student, for listening.